What is up, Wanderers? And we are on the eve of a 2-week trip to the United Kingdom. This is kind of a crossover video because I don't usually post bag videos on my main channel, but I wanted to get a chance to tell you guys about Wander EDC, which is my second channel. Give it a look. Link is in the comments. This is the type of stuff that we do. We explore different types of bags, we do gear reviews, and we talk about travel tips. So let's jump in. I just packed my bag for this 2-week trip to the United Kingdom. I'm bringing this bag, that's it, well, and this little guy. So what's the strategy for minimal packing when going abroad? I've got a little bit of experience in this realm, and I'm trying some new things with this trip, so I wanted to show you what we're getting into. So first off, this is a travel backpack from Greenroom 136, the Rainmaker. It's a custom bag, and I am very, very fond of it. The strategy is that this bag will go with me in between destinations on the plane, etc. Won't leave my side, except when I get to destinations and I'm in a hotel room or a rental car, I'll be able to leave this bag behind and take this smaller city bag to walk around. So what's inside the city bag? So my passport is in here. You can see inside this cool looking bag. Most of my videography gear is in here. My gimbal and my DJI pocket is in there, along with battery backup and all the cords that I need. My wallet is in there. And then I've got my AirPods in there, some spare cash in there, and face masks and some small essentials. So that's what's in the city bag that will walk around with me when I'm in the city. What's in the big bag? Good question. So we got a couple of compartments to talk about. Right up top, we've got a small drop pocket, and in that drop pocket, I've got a couple of things, reading glasses and just some knickknacks, some pens, things that I will need just quick access to. Then we've got the main admin pocket in this bag, and in this bag, I've converted the main admin pocket because, again, most of my gear is in this smaller bag. This is now a big giant dot kit. So inside here we have toothbrush and razor, and then we also have a couple of other essentials, some aspirin, some floss, all that kind of stuff that you need. I'm going to purchase some toiletries when I get over there. A little bit easier, and I don't like small toiletries, so I'm just going to hit a grocery store and buy a couple of other items. We got a small kit right here that we can put some other accessories in for health: chapstick, thermometer, aspirin, and some antibiotics. So some good stuff there. All right, then we get to the main compartment, and this is what I wanted to really kind of show off and talk about in terms of packing. Oh, by the way, in my water bottle holder, an umbrella. So in this main compartment, we got a couple of things to talk about. First off, when I'm traveling, roll up all the clothes as small as possible. And then I've got some inside pockets here, underwear in one, socks in another. Got my shorts, my long sleeve shirts, layers, 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 keeping it simple on the clothes. And then, know what you might be thinking? You might be thinking, but Wander, what about packing cubes? Packing cubes are expensive. What I have instead is grocery bags. These are heavy duty grocery bags from the local store, and they'll allow me to segment off my luggage just as well as, $50 packing cubes. All right, so to close up that main compartment, I've got in here 5 outfits worth of clothes in this main compartment. That should get me through the trip. I'll have to launder once or twice, no problem at all there, right? Can hit it really quickly, drop into a laundromat. Back compartment, iPad in this one, got some face masks, got all my chargers, my plugs, my cords, etc. So that's how I plan to live out of one backpack for 2 weeks. If you've got any questions, or if you have any ideas that maybe I didn't consider, please drop them in the comments below. And again, check out Wander EDC, link in the comments and in the video description. If you're interested in learning more about bags like this or gear, we do reviews and we look at new stuff as it comes out and play around with a lot of cool gadgets. So thanks again, everybody, and we will see you in London.